Want a government job but don't have a college degree? Don't worry. In today's video, we'll show you 5 top government jobs in India that you can apply for in 2025, even without a degree. Let's begin. Job number 1. Indian Army Soldier, General Duty. You only need to pass Class 10. The age limit is 17.5 to 21 years. The selection process includes a physical fitness test, medical checkup, and a written exam. This job offers good salary, pension, and great respect in society. Number 2. Gramin Daksavac in the Indian Post Office. Qualification required is just Class 10 pass. There is no written exam. Selection is based on your Class 10 marks. Your role will include delivering letters and managing small post offices in rural areas. It's a stable central government job with flexible work hours. Job number 3. RRB Group D posts in Indian Railways. You just need to be 10th pass from a recognized board. Posts include track maintainer, assistant pointsman, helper, and more. This job provides free travel, good salary, and strong job security. Job number 4. Multitasking staff or MTS through SSC. You need to be 10th pass only. This job includes duties like maintaining office records, delivery of files, and supporting office staff. It's a central government job with promotions and regular pay increases. Job number 5. Police Constable in your state police department. Eligibility is Class 10 or 12 pass, depending on the state. Selection is through a written test, physical test, and interview. It offers good pay, benefits, and respect in the community. Let's quickly recap. 1. Indian Army Soldier. 2. Post Office GDS. 3. Railway Group D. 4. SSC MDS. 5. Police Constable. Even without a college degree, you still have opportunities for a strong, stable career. Focus, prepare, and apply smartly. Which job are you aiming for? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Kashif Zone for more helpful videos on career, visa, and income ideas. Thanks for watching.